Mismong si US President-elect Donald Trump na umano ang nagsabi kay Pangulong Duterte na panahon na para ayusin ang hidwaan ng Amerika at ng Pilipinas. Sinabi ito ng Pangulo sa 4th State Conference of the United Nations Convention Against Corruption Implementation Review kagabi. Matatanda ang nagkausap sa telepono ang dalawang leader nung Biyernes ng gabi.
Oh, President Duterte, you should fix our bad relations. It needs a lot of, you just set something good here. And you're doing great.
Kwento ni Digong, mukhang iba na ang tingin ng bagong liderato ng Estados Unidos sa kanyang kampanya kontra ilegal na droga.
I know what's you worry about these Americans criticizing you. You're doing good. Go ahead. I had this problem in the border of Mexico and America and this goddamn guy. So ngayon, kung makinig ka kay Ram magsalita sa akin, naging santo ako. Doon sa isang administrasyon, well, ganoon lang.
Kaibigan daw ang turing niya kay Trump. Katunayan, inalok pa nga siya na magkape.
At sinabi pa, may sinabi yung international network, yung malaban sa kanya. And I had no media supported me, and I did it on my own. Yes. That's why I'm very impressed with you, Mr. President. Oh, yes. When you come to Washington, D.C. or New York City, look me up and I will have coffee. Maybe you can give me a suggestion, one or two, how to solve this goddamn bullshit, son of